Have you ever dreamed of seeing your name up in lights? Well, you don't have to go to Broadway or Hollywood. You can do it yourself in your own home. All you need is a black sheet of paper or card and some of these, coloured chalks or pastels. But you must have a white chalk. Now, the idea is to write your name, or whatever you want to say, using the white chalk, and leave some gaps in your letters. Now, I don't mean in between your letters, I mean in the letters themselves. You can see there I've left a gap. Now, the gaps must be about 1 centimetre at least. I'll put another one in there. And the reason for the gaps is that I'm going to put my name up in neon lights. Now, I don't know whether you've ever seen one of these displays, but a neon display has all these tubes on it that have got gaps in them. And by copying these gaps, you make your writing look neon. And now, the good bit. Take a coloured chalk and go all the way around the white marks that you've just made, keeping very close to the edge of the white. In fact, if you can, it's best to see no black in between the white and the coloured chalk. Use any colour you like. I find that these nice, bright pastel colours work best. There it is. Now you can see I'm going all the way round the white here, including going in through the gaps. There's one of my gaps there. Go around that. I think you can probably see it by now. The neon effect is beginning to take shape. I'll just colour that in there because there's a little bit of black showing. You can always go over it later on. I'll just swap colours there to show you. Right round there, right round the edge. And again, through the gap there. Up to the top. Tidy all the black bits up. When you've done it, just tidy that bit up there. Blow all the excess dust off. And there it is, your own name up in neon lights. You can add some designs, hang them in your bedroom, and give yourself a night on the town attack.
The head again. I've done one of those as well. I went to a lot of trouble. I got the black paper, packet of chalk pastels, and I did my own name. Look, the head. I left school when I was 6.